Okay, square root 268, which is down as a hard. It has 6 starting cells and 7 words. So the 2 words starting in K must start in the same cell. We'll see all the words start with a consonant, so we can't do much about that. There's a couple of double consonants. There's a double L which appears in 2 words, and there's only 2 spaces in the grid where you could have a double L because it's not the starting letter of a word, so it has to be there and there, or here and here. Also, if we look at the starting cells, which I've named A, B, C, D, E, F, we can see that 2 of the starting cells don't have an adjacent vowel, A and E. And there are only 2 words in the puzzle, Plenza and Scopus, where the second letter isn't a vowel. So therefore we know that Plenza starts in A or E, and Scopus starts in A or E. Looking at the remaining starting cells, they all have an adjacent double vowel, so therefore Coons could go anywhere on first inspection. However, if we look a bit more carefully, if we look at cell B to start with, the double vowel goes down there, so it'd have to go K double O. It can't go down because N isn't a starting letter, so it has to go left N, and then we're boxed in for the S. So we know that Coons doesn't go in B. If we look at C now, Coons would have to go K O O or O O. Then the N would have to be there, and the S would have to be in B. Now we already know that the starting S has to be in A or E, so also Coons can't start in C. So that leaves us with the options of D or F for Coons, and the same obviously with Kapur because it's going to start in the same place. So let's start with Coons in D, shall we? So it would have K double O, then the N could be there or there, and the S would be there. S there's alright, because we know S, the S starting thing is A or E. And then Kapur would have to go K, A, P, double O, and then the R in the other one. So they're either an N or an R. So we notice E is now a bit boxed in, and that needs to be either Plenza or Scopus. P-L-E, N can't be there because it's not a starting letter, N, and S can't be there because we've got an S up there for A. So this doesn't work, so I'm going to rub all that out now and start again looking at the F option. So let's look at Coons and Kapur in F. So we put the K there. The O there. The other O could be there, but then we're boxed in because we'd have to go down for the N because N's not a starting letter, and then we haven't got anywhere for the S, so that's not the O. So it goes Q and S, and Kapur goes K A P double O, and then the R could go there or there. So that's all looking good. So we've got Coons in, we've got Kapur in. Now, that of our double L options, we've now used one up with the N and S, so we know that's a double L for the words that need a double L. Right. Now let's look at Scopus. Can it start in A? S-C-O, and then nothing, nowhere to go. S-C-O, nowhere to go. So let's put it in down here then. S-C-O-P-A. What's happened here? No, that doesn't work, does it? But it could go upwards because C is the starting letter of Selene. So let's do that. Let's change that to a C, S-C-O-P-A, and make that an S. So Scopus is in. Now we've got, so we know that's a C now, which is Selene. So we've got C-E-L-L. It could go I-N-I or it could go I-N-I. So we'll have to leave that for now. Tempted to put that in, but it doesn't work out as it happens. Right, we know that Plenza starts in A or E and it doesn't start in E, so it starts in P, so that works well with that E-L-L, I suppose. P-L-E-N, and then we're trapped, so it must go this way. P-L-E-N-S. A, so Plenza's in, which probably means we can finish Selene out. C-E-L-L-I-N-I. So Selene's in. Donatello's got to use this double L-E-L-L-O. So O-N-A-T-E-L-L-O works. And then either of those could be the D. Now, if we put the, one of these has got to be Donatello, we've still got a Rodin to fit. If we go R-O-D, we get stuck. So, but if we go R-O-D, we've got this I-N, which needs finishing off those cells. So if we put Rodin down there, D-O-N-A-T-E-L-L-O, Donatello's in, Rodin's in. Wasn't too bad for hard, hey? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out my app on Google Play at com.andrewsapps.wordgrid, and this can show you how to solve the puzzle and give you hints such as how many ways words will fit in the grid.